Welcome to the first tutorial in our Getting Started series, Basic Site Navigation. Although we will not make any changes or add content, in this tutorial we will show you how to navigate around your front-end dashboard, your home page, and the back-end where content management and site modification happens. This is your dashboard and will be the first screen you'll see when you log into your site, and only you have access to it. Each of the colored buttons does pretty much what they say and will be what you use most often, at least when you first start out. For now, let's head over to your homepage where your visitors will first land. You can access your homepage by clicking on Home in the navigation menu, or your site's title located just above it. This is your site's homepage. We have created a fictitious user. Your profile information may look a lot different depending on the theme you choose, amongst other things. This is the first page your visitors will see when they arrive, but only you have access to the WordPress admin bar above. Here's where visitors can view excerpts of your posts and sidebar content, such as videos, text, or social widgets. Important to note, below the sidebar is a dashboard link, which will return you, as expected, to your dashboard. Now, let's go explore behind the scenes and check out what makes up your website. Hover over your site name, the one with the house icon to the left of it, and you will see Dashboard at the top of the dropdown. Not to confuse this with your user dashboard, this is the WordPress dashboard, also referred to as the backend, where you can make alterations to your site as well as add content. Think of it as a more advanced way to manage your site's content. Welcome to the back end. If you're not familiar with WordPress, it may look like there's a lot going on here, and there is. It just takes some time to become comfortable with it all. Now, that's not to say you have to learn all there is to learn here, but it will require you to become familiar with a few key areas. I'd like to reiterate that this is just a basic navigation tutorial designed only to familiarize you with the areas of your site. We have in-depth tutorials on the areas covered here, which you can view at any time from our tutorials section. Posts. Through this link, you can view, create, and alter your posts. Media. Here, you can manage the images on your site. Pages. As with posts, you can manage page content and create new pages. Settings. In settings, you can make changes to your site's title and tagline. And My Members. This should be your first stop. Think of this as your profile area where you will add content about, you guessed it, you. We can't stress enough the importance of putting you onto your site because this may be where your personal web branding starts. Finally, to head back to your homepage, click on Visit Site under your site's name, which will set you up for our next tutorial on how to add your profile.